So those are the naked. This spot is the naked beach from that point up to that point. So maybe you guys can see. Let me get zoom in. Oh, maybe you guys can see naked people in there. Ooh, naked, nakedy. That's the Bronzy Island.
Bronzy Island is the big one behind.
Then
And then you've got Furzy. Then
Furzy,
you've got Green.
Green Island,
And then there's Long Island, which is that one there.
Long Island.
Yeah.
And this one,
This is called Arm.
Arm.
It's not an island. It is. It's the Isle of Purbeck. But oh, look, he's up on the foredeck for the first time. Jasper, come on, yeah. Oh, yeah, these ants. These ants walking around.
Mm.
You see them?
Ants.
The ants are roses to us.
Mm.
I mean, really. Should put on some loud music. I can't help but love this part of the world. Should have altered to Scarborough.
Huh?
Make that a bit